Hey guys, my name is Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. For today's video, I wanted to share with you how to make some really easy beginner-friendly macrame projects, and so let's just get started. For this first macrame project, I'm going to show you how to make some leaf earrings. So you're going to need some earring hooks and some earring jump rings. I'm going to open the jump ring and put the earring hook through and then close it back up. You could also use some jewelry pliers to help you out if you need it. Moving on to our macrame cord, I'm going to use 3mm macrame cord to make the earrings. For the middle piece of the leaf earring, you're going to want to cut out a cord that is at least 5 inches. I know it says 6 right there, but I always skip the first inch of my measuring tape, and then pull the cord through the jump ring. Next, we're going to cut out the pieces to make the actual leaf. I'm going to cut out 6 pieces at 4 inches long each. In order to attach our pieces onto our leaf, make sure to fold one of your 4-inch pieces evenly in half and place it under the middle piece. On one side, you're going to have a little loop, and then on the other side, you're going to have the little strands. Take another one of your 4-inch cords, fold it evenly in half, and you see that loop that you have right there? Grab the little strands and pull them in through the loop, and then on the other side, put your little strands in through that loop right there, and then start pulling the ends of the strands on both sides and tighten everything up, and the cords should be attached. And then you can also move the pieces up if you need to. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We're just gonna keep doing this 2 more times. Now that we have all of the cords attached, I'm gonna comb them out using this old comb that I have. And make sure to comb out the back too. I traced out a little leaf in the size that I wanted my earrings to be, and I'm going to use this to make sure that I cut out all of my leaf earrings the same size. And then I did add a little piece of tape underneath so that this would stick onto my macrame cord as I cut it out. And there we go, guys, we have our first earring done, and just do the same steps for your second one, and then you'll have 2 cute little macrame leaf earrings. For this next project, I'm going to show you guys how to make a macrame flower keychain. And so for this, you're going to need a little keychain clasp. And then you're going to need 3 pieces of macrame cord. The colors don't matter, and I'm using 3mm macrame cord for all of these. The green cord is 30 inches, the white cord is our longest piece at 40 inches, and this is going to be to make the petals. And then the pink cord, which is going to go in the center of the flower, is 24 inches. We're going to start out by attaching our green piece, which is the cord that is 30 inches long, using the reverse lark's head knot. And make sure when you do this that your cord is folded evenly in half. Now that we have our first piece attached, we're going to make a little triangle with the 2 strands. Grab your cord that is meant for your petals, and we're going to attach this using the reverse lark's head knot, and make sure that the cord for your petals is folded evenly in half when you do this. And make sure to pull everything in tightly. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to refer to each cord as their color. We're going to start making the flower, and for this part, make sure that the green cord goes over the white cord, and then taking your white cord, place it over the green cord like that, kind of like making a little triangle or a loop, and then take the end of your white cord and place it under the green cord and pull it up nice and tight. Right now we have half of a vertical lark's head knot, so we're going to finish this up. Take your white macrame cord and put it underneath the green cord, making that loop that we have right there, and then take the end of your white cord and put it over the green cord and through the loop just like that, and then pull it up nice and tight, and then now we have a full vertical lark's head knot. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Once again, grab the green cord, making sure that it's going over the white cord, and now take your white cord, making sure that the end is going over the green just like that, making that triangle or loop, and then take the end of your white cord and you put it under the green cord, and then you pull it up nice and tight. Again, take your white cord, making sure that this time the end is going under the green cord, making that loop, and then you take the end of your white cord, you put it over the green cord and through the loop, and you pull it up nice and tight. We're going to put our two little pieces up and away for just a sec, and now take your white cord, which is your petal cord, and we're going to make a little triangle with it. Now we're going to attach our pink cord, which is meant for the center of the flower, using the reverse lark's head knot. Again, when you do this, make sure that your pink cord is folded evenly in half, and then make sure to pull everything up nice and tight. Okay, so we're going to continue on making more petals, so put your green cord again over the white cord, just like we've been doing, and continue doing the vertical lark's head knot, using the same steps as before. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to close this flower up now, so with your green cord, make a little triangle, making sure that the pink cord is behind it. And now we're going to do an endless falls knot. So take your white cord, making sure that it's under the green cord right there, and then you pull it up over the green cord, and using your end piece, pull it under and through both of those two green pieces and pull it just like that. So now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Make sure your white cord is under the green cord right there, and then you pull it up over the green pieces and then through and under both of the green pieces, and then start tightening everything up. And there we go, guys, we have our flower, and you could just do one flower if you wanted to and stop right here and end this with like a basic square knot, but I'm gonna do one more flower. So I'm just gonna continue on doing my petals like I've been doing before. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this with a basic square knot. And then some people like to have really long chains, which is why I have all that extra cord right there. But I'm actually going to trim this down a bit, and then I'm going to comb out my ends. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We are done with our cute little flower keychain. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys try one of these out and subscribe for more DIYs, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!